Everyone is talking about AI, but what if I told you this isn't the first time? Today, we're living through an AI explosion. Yet decades ago, the world witnessed the chilling AI winter. What happened back then? And how did we get from forgotten experiments to the powerful AI shaping our future? Let's uncover the untold history of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is everywhere today. In your smartphone, your car, even in the apps you use every day. But this story didn't start yesterday. The history of AI stretches back thousands of years, from ancient myths of mechanical beings to today's powerful algorithms shaping our future. Let's take a journey through the fascinating history of artificial intelligence. The dream of creating intelligence is ancient. Greek myths spoke of Hephaestus, the god of technology, crafting mechanical servants. In China, stories tell of wooden automatons that could move on their own. Medieval inventors built mechanical clocks, gears, and even humanoid machines. But the real foundations came in the 20th century. In the 1940s, mathematician Alan Turing asked a revolutionary question: can machines think? He proposed the famous Turing test, a way to judge if a machine could convincingly imitate human intelligence. Then, in 1956, at a summer workshop at Dartmouth College, a group of scientists officially coined the term artificial intelligence. This was the birth of AI as a scientific field. In the 1960s and 70s, researchers built some of the first AI programs. They created machines that could solve math problems, play simple games, and even carry on basic conversations. One famous program was ELIZA, created in 1966 at MIT. It simulated a psychologist by responding with questions like, "How does that make you feel?" People were amazed, and sometimes fooled into thinking it was real intelligence. There was incredible optimism. Many believed human-level AI was just around the corner. But AI proved harder than expected. Computers were too slow, data was scarce, and early algorithms couldn't handle the complexity of the real world. Funding dried up and enthusiasm cooled. These periods became known as AI winters in the 1970s and again in the late 1980s. Still, even in the cold, progress quietly continued. Researchers kept developing the mathematics and tools that would one day fuel an AI renaissance. In the 1990s, AI came back stronger. With more computing power and growing data sets, a new approach called machine learning began to dominate. Instead of giving machines rules, scientists trained them on data to find patterns. One milestone shocked the world. In 1997, IBM's Deep Blue defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov. For the first time, a computer beat the best human at a deeply intellectual game. Expert systems also appeared in medicine, industry, and finance. AI was becoming useful, not just experimental. In the 2000s and 2010s, AI reached a new level. With the rise of the internet, vast amounts of data became available. At the same time, graphics processing units, GPUs, made it possible to train huge neural networks. This gave birth to deep learning. Suddenly, AI could recognize faces, translate languages, and understand speech far better than before. In 2012, a deep learning system won an image recognition contest by a huge margin. In 2016, Google's AlphaGo defeated the world champion in the ancient game of Go, something many thought was impossible for computers. AI also entered our daily lives. Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant became our digital companions. Today, AI is everywhere. We use it to recommend movies, filter spam, and detect diseases. Generative AI can write essays, compose music, create images, and even code. Tools like ChatGPT and DALL have shown the world how creative machines can be. But AI's power also raises big questions. How do we handle bias in algorithms? Who owns AI-generated art? Will automation replace human jobs? These debates are shaping how we use and govern AI. So, where do we go from here? Some researchers are chasing artificial general intelligence, machines that can think and learn like humans. Others focus on using AI to solve humanity's greatest challenges, curing diseases, fighting climate change, and improving education. The history of AI shows us one thing: progress may slow, but it never stops. From ancient myths to modern breakthroughs, the dream of creating intelligence is as old as humanity itself. And now, as AI continues to evolve, the story is still being written. The question is not just what AI will become, but how we will shape it together.